The dual authentication factor, also known as 2FA, is a security method that consists in using two means of authentication to access an account or an online application. In addition to the usual password, the user must provide a second form of authentication, such as a code generated by an application on his smartphone or a security key. This additional security measure strengthens protection against cyber attacks such as phishing, because even with a compromised password, the hacker will not be able to access to accounts without the second form of authentication. 2FA is becoming increasingly common to protect online accounts and is recommended for all those who want to strengthen the security of their data. To enable the dual authentication factor on your account, go to the parameters of your account. From there, you will be able to validate the authentication. We recommend that you download one of the two applications, Authy or Microsoft Authenticator. Of course, you can use others. Once the application is downloaded, open it. Add a new device from which you will be able to scan this QR code or enter the following code. Once the code is scanned, a security code is given to you within a limited time. Enter it before the time limit. The dual authentication factor is now enabled. From now on, I will be asked to enter my identification code when I log in. For this, I must now systematically open my 2FA application and enter the code that will be automatically generated at each new connection. This is valid for 30 seconds and regenerates each time. You have now secured access to your TimeTonic account.